Hello friends, today is May 17th. I'm going to be transplanting my bitter gourd seedlings today in this raised bed. I have 5 of them. I prepared the raised bed by removing the topsoil from last year and added fresh potting mix on top. It is always good to transplant the seedlings in the evening when the sun is down, so the seedlings can get used to the soil overnight. I am done with the planting all 5 of them. I have done some protection for them with these fences to protect them from the critters, squirrels or rabbits. I did not water them today because the soil is really wet. It was raining during the past few days.